Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Tayto Potato drinking boba. So let's get started. To draw this super cute potato, let's first start by drawing the potato shape. So I'm just going to start right here at the top and draw a nice round curve. There, so now this big curve in, I'm going to bring it down. And let's say about right there, I'm just going to start to kind of wobble in a little bit and then out. So that's the basic shape right there. You just want this little curve coming in so that it's not just an oval. And same thing here. So then you can kind of see the difference between where the head is and where the body is. So then from there, now that we have that, we can go ahead and bring this all down. So the bottom is much longer than the head. And let's see, let's bring it in. And I'll say about right here, I'll stop. Okay, so about right there. And then just round this part off. And we're just going to straighten it out at the bottom because he's sitting on the couch. And connect. There. Okay, now that we have this general shape in, let's put in all the details to make him a potato, right? So let's say in this area, kind of like where it's kind of rounded off, in the center area about here, I'm going to go ahead and come right here and draw a little line. And this is going to be the beginning of our straw. So then I'm going to come down for the straw. And then I'm going to come underneath that straw and draw a line. So let's say about that much. And then we're going to round it off. And connect. So this is the top of our boba cup. Right about here. And then we can go ahead and come down. A straight line on both sides. About right there. And then I'm going to stop right here because I need to draw his hands. So I'll just come right here and pop in this curve and come down. And same thing over here. And come down. Then let's continue this boba cup all the way down to about here. And then we're just going to come straight down and then round it off. So same thing here. Straight and then round. Kind of like drawing a U. Okay, so now that we have all that in, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's draw the mouth. So where the straw is right here, we need to draw a curve touching it on both sides. So that's the most important detail. So it looks like he's drinking the boba. And then next to this curve, we're going to come out about right here. And I'll just draw a circle for the eyes. And let's put in a highlight about here and shade it in. So same thing on the other side, approximately about right here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to go above each eye and just lightly draw a soft curve. And then with the boba, we also can give it a face as well. So right about here, 2 dots, and then in between a smile, and cap it off. There. And then of course we need to draw some boba in here, so I'll just come in here and just draw some circles. Let's make them random. 4, and then maybe 5, and let's put one more up here. There. We have our boba. And then let's see here. From there, let's come to the bottom, and about in this area, I'm going to draw an oval at an angle for the feet. So same thing on the other side. So about right, let's say about right here. Just make sure it's kind of, okay, so that's about right there to center it for the little feet. And then from there, let me hold 1 second. Let me darken this top curve here so my lines aren't so sketchy. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's give our potato, I'm going to lightly draw in some of these half circles here and there just to make him, give him that texture for the potato. Or you can do that when you're coloring, of course. Just make a darker area. But here and there, you just want to add these circles. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw our couch. So right underneath here, I'm going to start about right here. Underneath our potato, I'm going to continue this line and go straight out underneath. So just want to be kind of underneath our potato. Right about there. And then from there, let's come about, let's see, about right here. And we're going to draw the arm. So hit the potato side, and then we're going to bring down a curve. And let's come down. A slight curve to about that much. Then let's thicken this up. And about right here, kind of where this line is, we're going to kind of bring it in. And then go back out slightly. And curve. And in. Just to create this sofa arm right here. And so same thing on the other side. Let's make sure we hit our potato. So just give it a slight curve. And I just want to make sure I'm the same area on both sides. And so then once again, we can go ahead and draw the arm. Come in about right here where this line is, and then straighten it out. And curve for the corner. And then let's go ahead and just draw a straight line across. Right there. There. Okay, so now that we have a straight line across, let's come back down to about right here, and we're going to draw another line for a little detail all the way across. And then for the back of our sofa, let's start about, let's say about right here. Just gonna round this off and come down. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Round it off and come down. There, and we've created a super cute sofa for our potato to sit on. And last thing I want to do is, of course, we need to add a heart. So I'll put one right here on our sofa. And another one, why not, to decorate it. To make this my just so cute Tayto potato drinking boba. I really hope you love this drawing that brought a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.